Ever wondered how textbook management turns into real-world success? From towering business empires to small creative ventures, great organizations don't just talk strategy, they live it. In this video, we bring you 4 real-life case studies from across India: the Tata Group, Namchi Designer Candles, ITC's eChopal, and Mumbai's Dabbawalas. These stories show how management transforms vision into results. Let's uncover how principles meet practice and why it matters now more than ever. When you hear Tata Group, what comes to mind? Trust, quality, and world-class management. From iconic hotels and steel plants to cutting-edge tech and automobiles, Tata's leadership shows how top-level vision flows through every level of the organization. What drives this success? Strategic planning, efficient execution, and above all, values. Integrity, accountability, and a deep commitment to nation building. The Tata legacy reminds us, when management is anchored in ethics, excellence follows not just in profits, but in purpose. In the hills of Sikkim, a small workshop glows with creativity. Welcome to Namchi Designer Candles. Here, management isn't in boardrooms, it's in the hands of one passionate entrepreneur. From sourcing materials and motivating a small team to designing products and marketing them, every function of management plays out under one roof. Namchi proves that you don't need a large corporation to practice great management. Entrepreneurial spirit, backed by clear planning and coordination, can turn a small dream into a shining success. What happens when smart management meets social responsibility? ITC's eChopal has the answer. In villages across India, digital kiosks connect farmers directly to markets, removing costly middlemen and empowering them with real-time data and fair pricing. But it's not just about business, it's about impact. ITC's model aligns organizational growth with community upliftment, a perfect example of social objectives working hand in hand with profit goals. This is management at its best, solving real problems with scalable, sustainable solutions. Over 200,000 lunch boxes, thousands of dabbawalas, one bustling city, and nearly zero mistakes every single day. How do they do it? Not with apps or GPS, but with discipline, time-tested routines, and flawless coordination. They follow the Scala chain, divide work clearly, and maintain unity of command, all without formal management degrees. This is living proof that powerful management doesn't always come from a boardroom. Sometimes, it rides a bicycle through the lanes of Mumbai and earns a Harvard case study along the way. These stories aren't just inspiring, they're powerful proof. Proof that management isn't one size fits all. It flexes with scale, from a multinational boardroom to a village-based startup. It thrives in cities and succeeds in the countryside. It drives profits, sparks innovation, uplifts communities, and sometimes delivers lunch on time. Whether it's empowering farmers, building global brands, or uniting a small team with big dreams, good management is always the force behind the success. Let's quickly recap. Why does management matter so much? It aligns people toward a common goal, boosts efficiency and cuts down waste, helps businesses adapt in a changing world, encourages personal growth and motivation, and contributes to society at large. In short, management isn't just about getting work done, it's about maximizing impact at every level. The next time you see a goal achieved or a team working in sync, remember, there's good management behind it. It may not shout, but it shapes success. In our next video, we break down the functions of management, what managers actually do, step by step. Planning, organizing, leading, and more. Get ready to explore the action behind the impact. Stay tuned, Your journey into mastering management has only just begun.